All right, here's what's happening on Mad Brad's Customs. That's right. Yep, I got the GT out the garage. Had to move some stuff out the corner. I do have a set of heads right here that are in good shape. I have the cams, I have everything for them. I have some exhaust manifolds. I have pistons and all kinds of parts, rods. I got oil pan. And as you see, I got the windage tray right there. Yeah. Hey, this stuff is going to go cheap. If somebody wants it, I want it out the way. There is a 6-bolt steel crank right there. Yeah. Let me tell you what. There's a good block over here. If you're going to build something for a race car that won't have air conditioning, the block is fine. This came out of a wreck Mach 1, and it was wrecked on the passenger side, and it broke the air conditioner off of the block. So you know they have like a boss, and then it's flattened and drilled and tapped. It just broke that off. It didn't break the block. So anyway, first person that would come up with $500, you can have everything that I got to go with that motor, that crank, them heads, and them exhausts. Okay, so let me continue this update on the chopper. All right, well, we got it all apart. We're getting ready to go and sandblast the frame. I got to get the front end off of it, but yep, the lovely lady that I have as my girlfriend, my forever friend, girl, we're going on, yeah, we're going on that 13 plus years. Anyway, she said, hey, why don't you go buy you a motorcycle lift? So yeah, today, Harbor Freight, they had it on sale for $150 off, and I got another 15% discount for being a member. And yeah, that there stand there be for sale. But anyway, we got all the mock-up done, and now we are just trying to like organize. That's right. Yep. Organize and get this all done. All right, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Don't be a dummy. Push the button. I need the subscribers. And that's right. I'm thinking if I get 10,000 subscribers, we're going to like finish this motorcycle up. And if I get 10,000 subscribers, I will draw from one of y'all and you will get this motorcycle. It is a low rider, Softail with a 100 Rev Tech. 5-speed or 6-speed, I don't know. Anyway, I'll confirm that later on, but don't forget, like and subscribe. Mad Brad's Customs, we are out.